Viewers, however, I think now I discuss the compound interest. Compound interest is the interest or the interest was the ability of a financial instrument of generate earning on its earnings. Compound interest can be calculated using the formula F is equal to V to 1 plus Rn added to where M is the future value of the loan or investment. P is the initial principal amount. P is the initial principal amount. R is the annual interest rate, and references represent the number of times interest is compound for fair, and T represent time in there. For example, $100 investment today with 5% interest rate compounding annually for 3 years equals 115.76 dollar or 100 into 1 plus 0.5 to 1 to 1 note that compound interest products a higher end result than simple interest using the same example. A simple interest calculation would only result in a value of $150 or 100 or plus 0.05 into 10. This effect is also known as compounding, and the more frequent the rate of compounding, the greater the end result. Thanks for watching this video. Next video coming soon.